Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into the Bella Tools 9-piece nested measuring set in the elegant oatmilk color. If you're interested in checking out this product, we've added a link in the description for you to see the latest price and availability. So, what exactly is the Bella Tools nested measuring set? This is a thoughtfully designed kitchen essential that includes 4 measuring cups, 4 measuring spoons, and a dedicated leveler. The set is perfect for both novice cooks and seasoned chefs alike, providing everything you need for precise measurements in one compact package. One of the standout features of this set is its nesting design. The cups and spoons snap neatly together, making storage a breeze. No more rummaging through cluttered drawers or cabinets to find the right measuring tool. This clever design not only saves space but also allows for quick access whenever you need it, keeping your kitchen organized and your cooking experience enjoyable. Now, let's talk about grip. The Bella Tools measuring set comes with non-slip handles that ensure a secure and comfortable hold. This is particularly beneficial when you're in the thick of baking or preparing meals during a busy weeknight. You can measure with confidence, knowing that the tools won't slip from your hands, even when you're pouring in those tricky ingredients. Accuracy is crucial in cooking, and this set makes it simple. The included leveler ensures that you get the perfect measurement every time, which is essential for achieving consistent results in your dishes. Whether you're baking a cake or whipping up a savory stew, starting with the right measurements can make all the difference. Crafted from durable nylon and outfitted with a soft-touch TPR over mold, this set is built for everyday use. It's free from BPA and BPS, ensuring that your cooking tools are safe for you and your family. This durability means you can rely on these measuring tools for all your cooking and baking needs without worrying about wear and tear. Cleanup is often a hassle in the kitchen, but with the Bella Tools nested measuring set, it's not. This set is dishwasher safe, making post-cooking cleanup quick and effortless. No more scrubbing sticky measuring cups or spoons by hand, just pop them in the dishwasher, and you're done. This measuring set is suitable for anyone who enjoys cooking or baking, from beginners to seasoned home chefs. It's perfect for those who want to keep their kitchen organized while also ensuring they have reliable tools at their fingertips. Whether you're making a quick breakfast, a family dinner, or preparing for a special occasion, this set is designed to enhance your cooking experience. In summary, the Bella Tools 9-piece nested measuring set in Oatmilk is a must-have for anyone looking to streamline their kitchen tools while ensuring precise measurements. It combines functionality with style, making it a perfect addition to your culinary arsenal. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, don't forget to subscribe to the channel.